Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews. We're back with another Dollar Tree haul. Stay tuned for all the goodies. Y'all already know my paper towels, the 176 sheets per roll is back. Picked up one pair, 25 more sheets. Um, and yes, my strong and soft, the 2-ply, 4 rolls, $1.25. These are necessities, which I always indulge. Also, finally remembered because I keep forgetting. The last couple of times I've gone to pick up dish detergent, it has, and I love my go-to is LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe Liquid Dish Detergent in lemon. So I'm gonna give that a scent. I'm gonna relax on the citrus apple, I believe, is that I always buy. So I'm gonna give this a whirl. Also, Pine Sol is back. Yes, it's relatively a teeny bottle, but it packs such a punch, and it was so recommended during lockdown. And it really does have a nice scent. It kind of reminds me of the winter that we're gonna soon go into. It does remind me of like pine trees, and it is a multi-surface cleaner. Kills COVID, as you can see, COVID-19 virus, and kills 99.9% of germs. So I can't recommend this enough. $1.25. Can't go really wrong with that. Also, in their cleaning section, so in kind of their kitchen cleaning section, they brought back these. Um, what are they called? It's by Scrub Buddies dish brush. But you know what? You can use this also for a variety of purposes, which I do like. And they haven't brought them at my branch for a while, so I thought I'd pick up a brush just to kind of give the old one that its bristles have kind of spread out. So I picked up another one. Also, Bargain Bethany, and I believe Chic on the Cheap has also recommended in getting these mesh laundry bags, which come really handy when don't want your socks all over the place in the laundry. This is by Essentials, their Essentials collection. It's in like their cleaning section. And as you can see, it has 3 count. So it brings 3, I believe. And size 12 inches by 15 inches. So I'm going to give this a whirl to see if that really is worth the purchase. But I think it is, honestly. It kind of keeps things tidy while things are rolling around. And maybe your delegates too. So anyway, I'll give this a whirl with my next my next laundry chore. And also by Essentials is this nice bin. I like to keep things tidy, as you can keep a number of craft items. I like to also kind of, keep my bills organized. So these do come in handy. They're nice and sturdy. 5.2. Yeah, I recommend these. And it has a nice white lid. Also, if you have a child that's starting school, perhaps attending daycare for the first time or kindergarten, usually the teacher always asks for your child to be sent with some extra pair of clothes and whatnot, and they can keep their shoes here. You can do a number of things, so it has a multitude of purposes. So I like that. Picked up another. I have already a collection of those. Also, by the cash register, I picked up another candle lighter. Butane, quick, convenient lighting. I like these because, if you have a tall jar candle or just glass candle where the wick has nearly expired, because of its long stem, it kind of really gets in there. And they come in a multitude of color: blue, navy blue, red. I believe I saw a gray, but I like the red, so I picked up a lighter. And now y'all, for the Halloween stuff. Now, this is cute. I know you can't really tell, it just looks like a big black ball, but um it is in their new Halloween decor section next to the school supplies. And it's just a skull, but it feels like it's kind of velvety. So I get a feeling that you can do a multitude of DIYs with it, or you can add appliques, or you can add gemstones, flowers. I'm going to give it a try. It comes in black, and it also comes in a dark green, kind of like a grass-like green. But I'm going to give this a try. And lastly, I'm very happy with this purchase because this looks really darling. So cute. Three little pumpkins with that little shading, a little add of touch of sparkle with glitter. And you can see that all three faces vary. The traditional, the zany, and really zany. It's so cute. And it has this little tie up top. Um, and yeah, it just, you can see right there, it just says decor. But it's in their Halloween section, $1.25. If you have a home, you want to kind of put it outside next to perhaps some plants or on your door. I'm going to hang it obviously in my background. So if you see it for Halloween, you already know where I got it from. But yeah, this is a quick, small Dollar Tree haul. And so I hope you've enjoyed. What item here stood out to you? Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share. Also, if you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted to my next DIY review and haul. Also, let me know, would you like me to try out any of these products online? I'm thinking about starting a Patreon, so let me know in the comment section as well. And until next time, y'all, XOXO, nerdy girl. Boo. Bye, y'all.